is this one? I won't be a minute. The Dutch reach means reaching across to open your door with the hand furthest from the door, the left hand for the driver. Making this a habit whenever you open a door ensures you turn your body to face the window. The technique also stops you from opening the door too widely. I can now see the roads clear, so it's safe to open the door. Use the motion next time you're getting out of the car and reach across with the hand opposite the door. It's simple. When you get out of the car, do the Dutch reach.